without due process of law. Again, may due process ba? Anong nangyari dun sa tinatawag nating constitutional supremacy, yung doctrine of constitutional supremacy? Pangalawa, meron pa rin ng isang related constitutional guarantee. Diyan pa rin hindi tayo lalayo sa ating Bill of Rights. Article 3, Section 14. No person. This provision starts in the negative. No. Ibig sabihin, hindi pwede. Bawal. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense. Yan po, nasa saligang batas, ulit natin yan. Without due process of law. Pangalawang beses sa po yan. Unang-una, Article 3, Section 1. Nabanggit na po yan. Walang pwedeng pagdamutan o ipagkait ang iyong karapatan at kalayaan ng walang due process of law. Tumungo po tayo sa isa pang constitutional provision, Article 3, Section 14, which starts in the negative. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense. Hindi ba criminal offense yung kanyang ibinibintang sa kanya ng ICC? Okay. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. Dalawang provision na po yan. Article 3, Section 1, Article 3, Section 14. Hindi lamang po ha.